Hi, it's Pat from Primetime Hunting and Fishing in Grand Prairie, Alberta. We're at the Red Deer Gun Show, trying to serve Central Alberta this week. Normally we're from Grand Prairie, where we operate 6 days a week. Come in and see us and check out what we have to offer you. Thank you.
Hello, I'm David from Tundra Supply. We're at the Red Deer Gun Show. You can come check us out at tundrasupply.ca. We're also joined with Knife Life Canada at the very end. Hello, I'm Stuart Hardcastle from Enfield Restorations, and we restore Enfield rifles. Long branches especially. I have a whole bunch on my table here and behind me on my table. So we usually do Grandpa's old guns, and that's our main business, so to speak.
Hi, I'm Kurt with Prairie Projectiles out of Stettler, Alberta. We do cast bullets, including powder coating, and we carry some components as well as our cast bullets. We're trying to do as many gun shows this year as we possibly can. Look for us online at prairieprojectiles.com.
Hi there, my name is Alex. I am with Roken Shotguns. We are a sporting goods manufacturer just based outside of Innisfail. Currently our shotgun lineup is composed of primarily 12 gauge shotguns. All of our shotguns are sub 1,000 and they carry a lifetime parts warranty on them. We have pumps, semi-autos, over-unders. Incoming we have revolver shotguns that are 410 gauge and Benelli M4 style clones.